Dollar Tree has some new stackable items for the season. So they have the skeletons and then they have the ghost and they have the mini ones. They brought those back. So you can get those. Those are $1.50 now. They have the big stackable ones. I was able to get mine for $5 because you can see they didn't change the tag yet. So the guy just rung them up for $5. But these are going to be $7. So the big stackable pumpkins, the ghost, and the skeleton heads. And I heard they even have like a little skeleton tree out. Have not seen that one yet at my Dollar Tree, but I was able to get all of these. And then they have the pumpkins too. You can get them like in the solid color. This one is like a multicolor. They have the white one. I have that one back there where it's just going to be all white. But these are real fun. But I just wanted to show you some fun ideas that maybe you want to do with these because, like I said, these are so cute. Okay, so for the ghost, you could just leave them side by side and make like a cute little ghost family. You'll have the dad, the mom, and a kid. The smaller one on top, of course, is already closed off. The other two will have the opening, but you could just put something cute on there, like a little cute hat or something. And that hat came from Dollar Tree too. You can do something like that. You can make the little hats. You can get real creative with that, or you can stack them. You can do a lot of fun things with these, like I said. Or with the skeletons, the same kind of thing with the skeletons. You can make a little skeleton family. So again, you're going to have three different size heads, and the bottom two will have the opening on it, but you can put a little hat. I don't have the hat right now for it, so I'm just showing you with the witch hat, but I would do more like a little top hat with these. That would be really fun. And then you can decorate the top hat with like some bows, different things, and make one for the mom, make one for the dad, and that would be really fun. And you can even make one for the top, the little one there too. That would be super cute to do. Or if you wanted to switch it up, you can mix them. So you can mix and match them. You can mix and match them, stacking them side by side, or you can mix and match them by stacking them on top of each other, which I think might be a little fun. The skeleton, you're not going to be able to put that one on the bottom because the whole opening is like the shape of the skeleton head. So you would have to finish off with that one, whichever way you decided to do it. But you can see, because it does have the little like space in the back, you can just slide it on and then it'll lock on to the head. And then you, like I said, you can get real fun, real creative with this. You can even put another little pumpkin on top of the skeleton if you want. But you can use these in a lot of different ways. And then because if you buy all three, you'll be able to make different sets, so three different sets of it, whichever way you want to do it. But these are some fun ideas to use those stackable items at Dollar Tree.